What is up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can add follow button on your Facebook page. Okay, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on your profile in the top right, and you want to click on see all profiles so that you can select the page that you want to add the follow button to. You want to click on the page, you want to select the page, and it will take you directly, guys, to the page. As you can see, you want to click on your profile in the top right, click on the page here, as you can see. It will take you directly to the page, as you can see. So 100 people are following me. So to add the follow button, guys, to your Facebook page, the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to click on these three little dots and search here for follow button in this list. As you can see, view as, edit action button. So you want to click on edit action button and search for follow button if you can find it here. You can, as you can see, you can find here sign up, book now. So instead of a follow button, you will find something like view shop, get tickets, send a message, send WhatsApp message. But that's not what you want, guys. You want to add the follow button. So this is just the first method. I'm gonna be showing you guys a couple of other methods that will help you add follow button. If this first one doesn't work, then just keep watching. I'm gonna be showing you other ways. So make sure if you can find here follow button, click on it. If you can't find it, what you need to do, guys, you want to go here to your profile, click on help and support, click on report a problem, click on help us improve Facebook, click on include in report, and click on choose an area, and you want to find here pages. You want to select pages. Okay, this is very important, guys. You need to select pages for this to work, and you wanna type here, hi Facebook, I would like to get a follow button on my page, on my Facebook page. And that's it, and you will get back to you guys within 24 hours, and you will add the follow button into your Facebook page. This worked for a lot of people, so just give it a try and click submit. And yeah, and wait 24 hours. If you don't want to wait 24 hours, you want to get the follow button, I have a very good idea that is like the best idea. So you want to go back to your own Facebook profile, click on your own Facebook profile, and you can turn this into professional mode. If you don't know, guys, Facebook has released a new feature. It's called professional mode. You can turn, or you can convert your own Facebook profile to to a Facebook page, and you can use your profile and your Facebook page like at the same time. And you can see here, guys, I have a follow button and people can follow me. So to do that, you just need, I'm just going to remove, guys, the professional mode so they can show you how you can turn it on. I'm going to turn it off right now. Turn off. Okay, and I am going to reload the page. Now to add the follow button to your Facebook page, like I said, you need to convert your own Facebook profile into a page, and you can make money from this. How beautiful is this? So you just want to click on three little dots, and you want to scroll down a little bit, click on turn on professional mode. And as you can see, if you turn on professional mode, you can get paid for your content. If you are eligible, unlock monetization tools to earn money by creating new content, and you can grow your audience. Your profile's followers setting will be set to public so that anyone can see your public content in their feed. You can still share privately to friends, and you can also see, you can do everything that you do on your page inside your own profile, your own Facebook profile. Click on turn on, and yeah, you just want to click on done, and that's it. You have successfully converted your own Facebook profile to a page. And by the way, you need to search for how professional mode works on Facebook so that you can make money and you can like set it up. Okay, you can do a lot of things. For example, if you click on set dashboard, you will see post reach, post engagement, new followers. You can see everything that you do on your page. You can find here the exact same things. Okay, Okay, so hopefully this video guys helped you. Like if you don't want to do this, you just want to wait 24 hours and you will add it to your own Facebook page. See you guys next video. Please drop a like, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment.